find the Batman surprise egg. I'm gonna try and steal it.
Oh no, Joker's trying to steal the egg! Let's go take back the egg!
Oh no, stop it! Steal Batman's car.
Get off my car!
Hey Batman, can we be friends and open the giant egg together?
Yeah, let's go!
Yay!
It's Batman time and yay! Welcome to Ryan Toy Review. Let's see your toys with the egg.
Take it out!
We have Superhero City.
We have DC Super Friends Imaginext Superhero Flight City. And it comes with Batman and Superman.
That's me. Look, we got Batman on this mini jet. Comes with this and Batman.
Wow, yeah, Minnie's Batcave.
It's Joker's Uber. Look,
The Joker Tank.
and this is Two-Face. It looks awesome with his race car
Oh yeah, got a Two-Face SUV.
because he has a different color. We got Batman City Tower. It's very big.
Oh yeah.
Batman Tower.
Batman Deluxe Combat Belt Set. Wow. Ooh, what is that? That's cool.
See Batman right here, kids? Look, you just turn him to the one super fast.
Ooh.
And then after that, you move him with your hand. Then he gets moved.
Whoa.
You know?
Oh, he knocked off Superman on top. Go for a ride.
Go for a bye-bye. Bye-bye, kids. Well,
Wow.
that's faster. Way faster.
See if you can make him land on top here.
Oh, let's see. Okay. Higher.
Oh. Oh, shoot. Can you go home?
Ah, turn it over and go. And just go.
Ah, missed it. Oh,
Huh. Ah.
almost.
Stop! Trying to go back home. Kitty! No! Oh, Kitty, no! Ooh. Oh, that's out! Ah! Kitty, no!
Yay, we did it!
Let's see if we can land on top of his building. Stop! And then you like put somebody's hand here. No. Ah! Let's go to my house. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Get you, Joker. No. Good shot. I'm a super insane. You won't get me. Ah!
Oh, where'd he go?
Never, but you can't catch me. Ah!
Ooh, he fell.
Let's close it. Let's please open. I can get you. Down. Watch this. Ah! Haha, I got back up. Never find it. Let go! Okay. Ah! Everybody has this series before. Wow! Wow! Now let's change. That was awesome. Now let's use the bad gun. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Bad. Awesome belt. Look what I have. I have this thing right here. And then this, a gun. And then this. And then this. Let's get Joker.
Run away! I'm gonna run away.
Guess what?
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Ooh, it's bigger.
Because I'm putting it farther.
Yeah.
Ooh, bigger, 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 bigger.
Wow.
We have one last surprise, and look. Look, we can shine the Batman. Ooh! It's Batman versus Superman. Batman, Superman. Ooh, this is Ice Power Batman. Ooh, looks like we got a bad guy.
We have Lex Luthor. Ooh.
Ah! Put this back on. Boom!
Whoa.
I'm gonna throw this bat thing at you. Yeah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more Joker videos and Batman videos for Ryan, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye. So there it is. All the eggs. Let the Easter egg challenge begin. On your mark, get set, go, go.
Thank you.
Go.
Thank you.